feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase.
Hello guys, good morning sa ating lahat. For today's vlog guys, ay nandito kami ngayon sa Juan Tiago Staycation Paranaque guys. Nag-staycation muna kami mag-asawa dahil sa sobrang init na panahon ngayon. Naghanap kami ng pwedeng mapag-swimmingan para naman lumamig-lamig kahit papano yung ating pakiramdam. Mura lang dito guys, kaya gusto kong i-recommend sa inyo kasi baka gusto nyo rin mag-staycation. Kaya panoorin nyo po ang aking video. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys yung buong unit na nirent namin. Mura lang, nasa halagang, magkano nga tuan? Sa halagang 1.8 guys, sulit na kasi ang ganda ng unit guys. Maganda dito mag-staycation guys dahil parang nasa bahay ka lang, kumpleto na, di mo na kailangan magdala ng mga kung ano-ano pa kasi may tubig na, meron ding ref, may freezer dito na pwede kayo mag-stock ng pagkain kung gusto ninyo. Tsaka ano pala guys, pag weekdays kayo mag-staycation or weekend, magkaiba yung presyo. Medyo may kamahalan kapag weekend kaysa weekdays. Kasi itong kinuha namin ay weekdays. So yung presyo ng weekdays na yan from 2 PM ng hapon. Tapos kinabukasan ng 12 PM yung check-out namin. Nasa 1.8 lang. Pero kapag weekend daw, maraming nag-staycation. Kaya medyo mas kamahalan siya kaysa weekdays. Actually guys, mura na siya sa halagang 1.8 lang kapag swimming na kayo. Alam nyo kung anong kagandahan kasi dito guys. Maganda yung swimming pool nila dito kasi weekly daw itong nililinis. Hindi katulad ng ilang ibang pool na matagal ang linis. Kaya maganda yung swimming pool dito. Wala kang kahit kunting dulas o duming makikita kasi alaga nila yung swimming pool. Mahigpit nga lang yung rules nila dito guys na kailangan mo sundin para mananatiling malinis yung kanilang pool area at saka kapaligiran ng building na to. Sa halagang 1.8 guys, feel at home ka na. Merong wifi, may TV, may cable yan siya. At saka may ref, meron kang lutuan. Para nasa bahay ka lang, yung washing machine nila automatic pa. At saka aircon din naman dito. Pero yung kagandahan talaga dito guys, mabait yung ano dito, yung may-ari kasi makakausap mo yung mismo may-ari talaga, kaya mabait sila. Kaya pwede kayo mag-inquire dito guys. Chat nyo itong, ayan, chat nyo yan. Tapos mabilis yan sila mag-reply. Chat nyo yan para malaman nyo yung kung gusto nyo mag-inquire na ilang araw. Ayan yung Facebook page nila guys. I-search nyo na lang sa Facebook yan. Tapos kayo na bahala. Kung gusto nyo i-inquire dito sa staycation na to, kayo nang bahala. Yung unit na to guys, 2 bedroom to. Pero isa lang yung nirent namin mag-asawa dahil 2 lang naman kami sa halagang 1.8. Pero merong isang room dito guys. Ayan, nakita nyo yan. Yan, isang bedroom din yan siya. Kapag halimbawa daw mas marami, so gagamitin yan siya. Pero iba na ang presyo kasi nga 2 room yung nagamit. Sa amin kasi isang room lang eh. Kaya, ayan. Kaya kung gusto nyo na mas marami kayong magre-rent, ayan, pwede kayong magsama-sama kasi nga may 2 room. Ito naman yung CR nila guys. Ayan, pagbukas mo ng CR, ayan, makikita mo yung automatic na washing machine. Ayan, okay naman. Maganda naman yung CR nila. Ayan, malinis. Alas 4 na ng hapon ngayon kaya nakabihis na kami pang swimming dahil swimming kami guys. May swimming pool dito kaso hindi siya free sa pag-rent nitong condo guys. Separate yung bayad guys. 180 per head. Hindi siya kasama dun sa pag-rent mo na. Kaya ngayon, bababa na kami guys para mag-swimming na at hapon na hindi na ganang hindi na mainit. Kaya swimming to the max. Kaya mag-swimming muna kami guys hanggang sa up to sawa namin. Bababa na kami guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung dito, yung swimming pool. Maganda ba? Kasi first time din namin dito eh. Kaya papakita namin yung swimming pool kung may ba siya malinis at saka
but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. I know screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated.
Lamig? Ano kaya? Dalawa lang kami na dito guys. Sobrang malamig. Dito guys. Kabila meron pang bata. Dalawa lang kami. So, uwi namin yung swimming pool guys.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. Oh, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Okay guys, thank you for watching our vlog.
And see you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel para update kayo sa aming mga next na i-upload mga video.
Yes.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
See you on our next vlog guys.